Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by mapping where ads appear and why they're there. Sign into the site or app and scan pages to identify ad zones, sources, and which plugins serve them. Once done, note whether ads are served by third-party networks, embedded scripts, or internal banners so you know the removal path. Make sure to record account access and device types to test later. This immediate triage prevents wasted effort and sets a clear plan for targeted removal steps. Now remove ads with surgical changes. Disable or update offending plugins and test the page. Remove or comment out ad template code in your CMS and hide containers with precise CSS rather than broad selectors. If ads come from external scripts, add rules to your host file or implement a content security policy that blocks those domains. Once you apply a change, reload and test across devices and clear caches so you can confirm the ad stopped loading and nothing else broke. Finish by verifying that ads are gone and the site functions normally. Test in multiple browsers, incognito modes, and on mobile. Make sure analytics and essential scripts still run. If layout shifts or features break, restore the backup, then tighten selectors or adjust CSB rules incrementally. If ads reappear, enable network logging to find delayed or dynamic calls and block those domains. One key tip: always keep a fresh backup before each change so you can roll back quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.